In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize Google Chrome homepage. Vertical bar, give a professional look. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, create a new tab so you can view the default homepage area clearly. Now look toward the bottom right corner of the new tab page. You will see the Customize Chrome button. It usually appears as a small pencil icon. Click that button to open the customization panel. Start with the background. In the customization panel, select the option to change the theme. Chrome includes a collection of built-in art galleries, which gives you a quick way to choose a background that looks stylish and professional. You can browse through the available options and pick one that matches the look you want. If you prefer something more personal, click the option to upload an image from your device. If you want the most professional result, choose an image that is clean, high quality, and not too busy, so your homepage still feels neat and easy on the eyes. After setting the background, move to the color section. Under Appearance, you can choose the browser frame color. This changes the color around the Chrome window and helps tie the whole design together. Try selecting a color that complements your background instead of competing with it. A well-matched color scheme can make the browser look more modern and organized. Neutral tones or soft colors often work especially well if you want a more refined appearance. As you make these changes, take a moment to look at how everything appears together. The goal is to create a homepage that feels visually balanced and pleasant to use. Once you are happy with your selections, you can simply close the customization panel. That covers everything you need to know.